Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to invite a user to Kontentino. First, go to the settings situated on the left side panel and click on Users. There, you can add new users by clicking on the green New User button. In this section, you need to pick a role for the user based on their responsibilities. You can choose among admin, manager, client, translator, copywriter, designer, and media agency roles. After clicking on each of these roles, you will get a list of their tasks. They represent what the users are allowed to and have access to in Kontentino. After picking out the right role, fill out the user's name and email address. They will receive an email with a sign-up password from Kontentino. Now, click the Invite button and assign the new user one or more profiles or profile groups you want them to have the access to. Afterwards, click the Assign and that's it. In case you want to edit a user, go to the section Users in the settings and click on their profile. When the profile appears, there will be a blue icon on the top right corner. Click on it. Here you can change their role, name, email address, or even a password. To remove users from Kontentino, go to the same settings. Click on the red X button in the upper right corner and confirm your selection. In case you would like to restore a user in the future, scroll down and click on Show Deleted Users. After that, press the Restore button. And that's all. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our customer support. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks for watching and happy inviting.